Hey folks, come on over. I got something I promised you and something new to show you right here on my take on home and garden. Folks, come on over. It's going to be different. I promised to show you that cabinet that we just picked up at the estate sale, and I'm going to show you a room in the house you've never seen before. So let's do it right now. Okay guys, well you know the new cabinet went in the loft with our Greco-Roman collection. Let's see where it could possibly fit and what I put in it. Now King Tut is going to have to move. I've yet to do that. But in the new cabinet is our wonderful Grecian collection, the Telemann urn with the bowl, and inside all these pieces actually made in Greece. The beautiful vase. We'll get that door open. And I think you'll agree, look at the size and what this cabinet did for this little collection. The Grecian black and gold goblets, and the matching pitcher, a personal favorite of mine, all original from Greece. Also a little biscuit jar. Sitting on something we don't use, most of us at all, which is an ashtray. And then the last two goblets. The drawers will have different collections and pieces in there as well. Just want to show you, like I said I would. And now, let's take a look at the newest project. You'll at least get a big chuckle out of the mess it creates for me. We'll work our way back to the hallway and see even Christmas things pulled out to get out of the room, out of the closet where it was being stored. Different decor, florals, even fall. Here's the one hall. Christmas trees. And since our sweet daughter has moved out to go on to her master's degree in college, she's had to take a dorm room there. Actually, an apartment. So here is this room you guys have never seen before, because the kids, we wanted to keep their privacy. And as you can imagine, you're just not interested in showing your personal bedroom and things. Not everyone. Here's a double deluxe closet, just amazing. that I'll get to use more of. And we used to only have half of this. Well, in the beginning, of course, we didn't have any of it. Being the second princess in the house, she had this to herself. Again, you could walk all the way through, double doors. And we can see the rest of her room. When we moved here, I built everybody floor-to-ceiling bookcase to have a place for their things, their books and collectibles. Now that was her little love seat, and she's giving that to her brother, who will get that in his room as soon as I can get the hall cleared out. Here's a little spot in between the closet doors that she had her TV, video equipment, and players. Then through the maze of doors, of course, she had her own little bathroom. Now keep in mind, we are going to paint, and we are going to, I say we are going to change the flooring in here. Just so you can get kind of a before and after, I have changed the linoleum in this bathroom. But I've got to paint. Probably get rid of the old mirror because they start going on the edge. Look at this. This is 17 years old, roughly. So that's the big project. We'll clean, and I'll remove the carpet. I can lay the carpet myself. I might have it done because of time, or I'm going to put in the Pargo wood flooring like I did in the loft in the other bedroom. We'll see. Just to give you the what's going on, what's new, and what have you been doing tour of the house. With everything out of here, it's amazing how big the room looks to us now. But when we put our stuff away, it never seems big enough. Now also, as you know, we've been battling, like most of us, with YouTube over a problem with videos not getting uploaded properly. And poor Angela, with some research and development, if you will, found out in a chat group that they went to 15 minutes or less and got their video to upload, and that's what we had to do last week. That video was actually longer, and very annoyed that it had to be shortened and edited down again for a third time. Ridiculous. So bear with us. Also, we have a college graduation to go to, and this video is going to be shorter than normal. We'll have our regular Fill 'em Up Thursday for you. It'll be good, and we'll be back on track and see you again the week after. Thanks for working with us. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next amazing, off-the-chain good decorator and collector video. How do you like the Band-Aid? That was from an earlier disaster. See you soon.